Hello, Bryson's Overrated channel, back with another mediocre video. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be taking a break from, oh God, can't even focus with this thing. Taking a break from the DIY oscilloscope over there, SpongeBob. I'm gonna show you this thing. What is this, I hear you ask? Well, this is a CC275 camcorder released around 1988 or something like that. I'll show you it. Manufactured by RCA. It uses a little viewfinder. Um, that is actually a CRT. Little CRT. So I'll show you. Oh God. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. But it is. Displaying an image or video rather in my room. It's moving around. So yeah, these things um use tiny little CRTs. That's where that one came from. Came out of these little viewfinders. Isn't that cool? So yeah. Yeah.